You're thinking right now that this person doesn't care about you, but they do. This person is saying these difficult times that we had are behind us. They want to move forward, but they don't know how, but they want to. This person is coming up as a devil energy. They're coming up that this could have been addictions, it could have been sabotaging, it could have been toxic attachments. All of those things are in this. But what they're saying is they actually had to pull back away from you in order to work that out so they could come forward. Because I feel like you guys fought a lot as well. There's a lot of kind of accusations. There's a lot of feeling defensive. There's a lot of bad behavior in this. You're not in contact at the moment because they're showing me them coming back in. This just come out: pain, heartbreak, infidelity, toxic relationships. We know it was a very toxic relationship. Now, they are coming back in, whether you want them or not, that is completely your choice. That is on you. But I just want you to know that they have been doing a lot of self-reflection work on their behavior, on what they've been doing. And I feel like that they're getting ready. The Strength card, look, you two used to fight and argue a lot. There's a lot. Maybe you're both fire signs. There's a lot of energy. Maybe there's earth signs here. So there's the stubbornness, you know, the bull with the horns in the Aries. I mean, if you get that kind of energy, oof, and that might be what's coming up. But Spirit wants you to say to keep your head up high. You've got to keep going no matter what. Not necessarily in this relationship, but just in general, because the difficult time is behind you. All right. So no matter what you choose to do, difficult times behind you. They're coming in with an apology. The Page of Cups, they're coming in to apologize for something that they did. And I do feel there's really strong infidelity on this, so there's no excuse for that behavior. This Six of Wands, we've got the fire energy here of the Queen of Wands, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. But I do feel like this person, look, wants to be in union with you. So they definitely, with this apology, with this new accountability, this is definitely them saying, I want to be with you. I miss you. There is no one else that can give me the energy that you do. There's no one else like you, is what they're saying. There's just not. There's no one else compares to you. You know, and I know what you're going to say. Well, why did you cheat them? Right? Look, death. This is huge. This is huge because it is saying that there's new changes. There's a new journey for you both, and beautiful things are coming and on the way. Maybe counseling, therapy. You know, again, Page of Pentacles. We're really getting this. These bad, difficult times are behind you as a couple moving forward. You might even still be in contact with this person. It may be that you have ignored them, but you want to get back with them. It is saying that there will be like a renewed passion in the relationship. There is definitely an ending of that cycle.